STSS Stock Analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Sharp's technology stock, it's melting. That's what it's doing. All I'm trying to say is that it's cooked. You know, I've done 38,000 videos on my YouTube channel, more than anyone else in the game, all documented with the proof. Specifically, I'm going to be bullish on if two things happen, and those two things is there's like a crazy catalyst, which I'm not seeing as of right now. It could happen in the future. Or two, if I see some shift above 18 cents, and we're so far from 18 cents, it's not even realistic. I mean, lower time frame, yeah, sure. Maybe if there's breaks above 4 and then I see a double break from some sort, maybe then. But as of right now, I would much rather just follow other ticker symbols rather than trying to force movements here. I mean, again, it depends on the game that you're trying to play. Maybe you're looking to have a discounted price here and then treat it like a lottery ticket, which I understand, but it's not the game that I'm playing. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.